candle. Hang on, don't blow anything out.
You missed one candle. You missed more than one looking at that. You missed about 30.
Hang on.
Oh,
Well,
one that's
we
in
did,
date.
isn't it?
Oh, yeah, that one.
Yeah.
The D.
Yeah.
Are we going to make a wish and blow it out, Emily? Oh, hang on, that's Mummy's job.
Right. What's happened?
What?
The camera.
Have you got the battery in it? You probably got it the wrong way.
Hey, excuse me, Mummy's turn.
Technical issues.
I mean, this isn't going to
Well,
last.
we're waiting for Grandad to sort out his...
You put it in the right way, sweetheart. I don't mean
It
to
only
be
goes in one way, actually.
critical. No, I've done it the other way, love. I've done it all.
You're not having
It's on.
You had it
Right,
the wrong
we're
way
good,
round.
we're good. Wait, we're going to blow out the candle. We're going to do it. 1, 2...
2, 3. Wait! Make a wish.
Now, we just got to light them 3 or 4 more times and then we'll be up to the actual number.
Oh, God, it's getting worked hard around here.
Hang on, young lady, hang on.
Mummy's turn, yeah.
Oh,
wait,
it's going to be Mummy's turn, is it? Oh, bless you, you're so lovely.
Thank you.
Mummy's turn. You're not selfish at all, after all. There we
Right,
go.
should we do one more time? 1, 2,
Blow.
3.
Oh, wow.